I'm Sylvain Moussé, the head of Cegid Interactive, the division responsible for all of Cegid's cloud computing activities. And I'm also Cegid's Information Organization and Systems Director. Consequently, I'm simultaneously a provider of cloud services to our clients and a consumer of cloud services as the Information Organization and Systems Director.
I'm Philippe Oliva, Vice President of IBM France. I head up the infrastructure services primarily aimed at directing the transformation of the cloud's growth to our business sector, and obviously French clients, with a strong desire to increase the adaptability of our solutions to our clients' demands in France.
Cegid is a French software publisher, one of the leaders of management software in France. We have programs specializing in finance, accounting, as well as tax and human resource management. In 2011, Cegid had sales of 260 million euros, with 2,200 full-time employees. Since it was founded 10 years ago, Cegid has become one of the leaders of cloud computing in France and offers software as a service, SaaS solutions, particularly for human resources. We've come up with a three-step strategy revolving around cloud computing. The first step is SaaS first. Convert as many of our clients as possible to the clear-cut and strategic advantages of software as a service. The second is to build a hybrid cloud for our clients. The third step is to set up service bundles, applications and services in which the applications of Cegid and those of our partners make it possible to deliver complete services online to our clients. Our applications are, you could say, they're business critical. Most of them are crucial for our clients. Each month we issue 225,000 pay stubs. We currently host 6,000 employees who are accounting experts. We set up applications for retail businesses. Currently, 24,000 firms connect to the platform each day to consume online services, particularly for accounting.
What were the main objectives and challenges for Cegid?
To anticipate the next big step in delivering our services, for several reasons. The first was that we didn't want to have to maintain and operate a physical infrastructure. The second challenge was to ensure our growth. The third challenge was to rethink our industrial model. We also had to become economically flexible, meaning we had to ultimately make sure that Cegid would also benefit from the cloud's advantages. I should add two more things. One is the importance of security, and the other is the international challenge, since Cegid wants to develop at the global level.
We've gone through almost all the steps. In the end, what were the factors that led to the selection of this type of architecture, and why?
We conducted a lengthy study in 2011. We looked at the market leaders, specifically those of public clouds. For this type of application, where there's a high demand and which will continue to grow, the private cloud is the logical choice because it makes it possible to build an architecture according to the demand of its market and of its clients. It was important for IBM to understand that the challenges of our clients, who for the most part are small and mid-sized companies, demanded a solution with the same level of security and flexibility as those set up for the largest firms. The second crucial thing was, as with the demands of our clients, we wanted to benefit from an infrastructure in metropolitan France. Our clients of regional authorities, accounting experts, would have a hard time accepting that their data, the data of French citizens, the data of their clients, are not in French territory. Then obviously, the quality of the infrastructure at the level of its redundancy in France and its security were carefully and scrupulously examined. Lastly, the capacity to provide business recovery plan solutions that would reassure our clients that we can guarantee a continuous service even if there is a serious power outage in one of the data centers.
Another crucial thing was to say that we, in spite of the fact that we built a reference architecture, we were not there to redo everything.
In fact, the constraint was that now we have thousands of contracts with our clients, with commitments. The new infrastructure therefore had to be capable of producing, at the same or higher quality level, what we had committed to do for our clients over the years, and to prepare the follow-up. The construction teams of IBM Cloud and Cegid did a great job combining these two objectives that sometimes were at odds with each other.
I believe that what was crucial, Sylvain, in the way we built up our partnership was truly the win-win factor that was not at all hackneyed in the way we structured the software as a service project of Cegid and its adaptation at the infrastructure level.
We thought the unique character of the player, the customization of the solution, and the transparency of the operational and economic models was the best guarantee for success in the long term. Since it was an industrial-type partnership that was intended to last for a long time, we had to fulfill all these conditions in order to succeed.